was how I dashed TikTok headquarters my 30,000 naira because I thought I was smart. In my mind, I was like,
Shebi is to run the ad, put the landing page, and boom, my account go dey cry. So wetin dey there?
I shall followed my mind though and did just that. And of course it worked. I got over 1,000 people to visit that landing page. But do you want to guess how many of them bought my product? Out of 1,000 people, only 3 people paid. 3. Now I want to cry. 30,000 gone. Imagine if those 1,000 people had messaged me directly. To be at all, 100 of them will pay if it's too bad. But the good thing is that the experience made me understand how cold audience works. Most of them don't even trust you. So that explains it. I'm telling you this because I want you to learn. When next you're running your TikTok ad, choose the leads option instead so that TikTok will direct the traffic to your inbox. And that's when you close the sales as they hot. Since I discovered this thing, I dey close sales fire. See, if you know you're not a celebrity or your product isn't free, please avoid that sales button like bad network. Avoid them.
Alright, so one of my students wanted to know my thoughts about what this lady is saying here. The truth is that this lady is hitting one of the major issues that many people have when it comes to running ad online. You see, many people rush into running direct sales ad to cold audience, people that don't know them yet. This is one reason many get thousands of clicks and views with low or no buyer. So according to her, you should avoid the sales option or the sales button if you are not a popular brand that people already trust. That means the main issue here isn't the sales button or the sales option, but your status as a person. However, you don't need to be a celebrity or a trusted brand or figure to sell at a spot. What you need is authority positioning, and I'm going to show you how it works. There are 5 to 6 strategies I've shared in my training that anyone can use to infuse authority in their voice and be able to sell massively at a spot, even as a beginner. I call it the 5 E's. One of them is what this lady used here, which is experience. But the one I want to focus a bit on is education, product education. Take for instance, you sell clothes, and instead of telling me to buy your clothes that is the best quality, you decided to share with me the best color for my skin type, or you expose me to specific ways to iron different clothing materials. Even if it's my first time seeing you, I will immediately think you are an authority in this regard. Yes, I may not buy immediately, but certainly I will save your contact to check back. So the strategy you used on me here is education. That's the ability to enlighten people so that they will see you as an authority, even if they are meeting you for the first time. Once they can trust your knowledge, trusting your offer becomes easy, even without fame or followers. So direct sales ad works. However, it's a waste of resources, time and money when you've not optimized your ad to know who is showing interest. When you don't know this, 2 things happen. 1, you will not be able to retarget them or their lookalikes. Secondly, you will keep spending more on running ad because platforms will charge you more when they have to help you find the right audience for your ad. But with custom audience, they already know you have done your homework, so they will not charge you more. So if you don't have the setup to track the activities going on your ad, the best option for you would be to go for the lead objective. Right? So with lead objective, you can have the contacts of those who are showing interest if they haven't bought to reach out to them again without having to run ad. You can as well use the lead you have gathered to sell other products that you have. So if you are running ad on TikTok and you don't have a website to track events going on your ads, why not join my training on TikTok ad? That's TikTok ad made easy. So I can at least show you the 2 other options that are working for my students, as well as some key settings to ensure you succeed. If you are interested, click any button you see around this video or in the description to check it out. And if you join now, I'll be sharing with you a special bonus that will help you verify your business account for free without CAC in less than 3 days. Click on any button you see around this video to join now. I'll be waiting to welcome you.